Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Standard Notes login problems step by step. If you can't sign into your Standard Notes account, the issue is usually related to your login credentials, internet connection, or account security settings. So let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password for your Standard Notes account. Double-check for typing mistakes, confirm that caps lock is turned off, and try entering your credentials again carefully. Next, verify that your device has a stable internet connection. Open a website or another online application to make sure your connection is working properly. If needed, restart your router or switch to another Wi-Fi or mobile data network before trying again. If you still can't sign in, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to begin the password recovery process. Follow the instructions sent to your email address, create a new password if necessary, and then try signing in again with your updated credentials. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure you're entering the correct verification code from your Authenticator app. Also, check that your device's date and time are set correctly, since incorrect system time can cause authentication codes to fail. Finally, update Standard Notes to the latest version and restart the application. If the issue continues after trying these steps, review any error messages displayed by the app and contact Standard Notes support if additional assistance is needed. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Standard Notes login problems and regain access to your secure notes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next